Welcome to your ELA lesson. Let's get started. We are going to learn 2 new sight words today. Remember, continue practicing the sight words you have already learned. Our new sight words are like and are. Like, are. Now let's use our sight words to complete some sentences. My friends' morning announcements. What word goes here? Is it friend or like? My friends' morning announcements. Like. My friends like morning announcements. My dad will me some money. What word goes here? Is it give or friend? Give. My dad will give me some money. We going to the spring sports games. What word goes here? Is it are or give? Are. We are going to the spring sports games. My special is Tom. What word goes here? Is it give or friend? Friend. My special friend is Tom. Now let's read our story for today. Our story is called Sam is Happy for Tom. Let's continue. On Monday morning at school, I met Tom when he got off his bus. I like Tom and he likes me. We are best friends. Tom and I went to our classroom. The clock said 5 minutes past 9. School begins at 9. Our teacher, Miss Jones, said, "Boys and girls, I have some great news today. The spring sports games are next month on April 17. Tom will be in 2 events for the games. He will be in the swimming event and he will be in the wheelchair race." Let's point to this sentence together. Point with me. Let's point to each word of this sentence. So, then Mrs. Jones said she had more good news. Awesome. Let's keep going. She said this year each boy or girl in the spring sports games can take 1 friend with them. Tom has chosen Sam to be his friend at the spring sports games on April 17. Hooray, I thought. Tom is going to the spring sports games and I'm going with him. Really? Yes. We're going to the spring sports games and it will be awesome. Okay, now since we finished our story, let's answer some questions about the story. Our teacher, Mrs. Jones, said, "Boys and girls, I have some good news today. The spring sports games are next month on April 17. So what is the good news from Miss Jones? Is it popsicles are for lunch or the spring sports games are soon? The spring sports games are soon. Tom will be in 2 events for the games. How many sports events will Tom be in? Is it 2 or 4? 2. Tom will be in 2 sports events. He will be in the swimming event and he will be in the wheelchair race. What events will Tom be in? Will he be in bowling and baseball? Or will he be in swimming and wheelchair racing? Swimming and wheelchair racing. Tom has chosen Sam to be his friend on the spring sports games on April 17. Who did Tom choose to go with him to the spring sports games? Was it Sam or Kat? Sam. That was your lesson. Well done. Don't forget to watch part 2.